Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today we are making a almond flour chocolate crinkle cookie. I love crinkle cookies around this time of year, and obviously we're getting into some cookie season action, so I wanted to share with you one of my favorites. Crinkle cookies typically are made with white flour, sugar, oil, vegetable oil, but this one is almond flour based. We're using melted chocolate, a little cocoa powder, a little bit of butter, but you can also use coconut oil as well. I'm using coconut sugar, but you guys use whatever sugar you like, and I'm using an organic powdered sugar, but if you guys want to use a keto powdered sugar for this, go ahead and do so. They're really simple to make. They're delicious, delicious. They're fudgy, they're chocolatey, and they just look incredibly beautiful. So I hope you guys include this in your cookie box for this year. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to give our video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. It does help our channel grow. So let's take a few minutes and learn how to make these incredible almond flour chocolate crinkle cookies. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to toast our almond flour. We're using a half a cup of almond flour. I'm just going to spread it out evenly, and we're going to toast it 7-8 minutes in the oven, and then you're going to cool it completely. That step's optional, by the way. Next, we are going to melt our chocolate. I'm going to use a double boiler. This is 1 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet. You can use dark, you can use sugar-free. 2 tablespoons of butter or coconut oil, and 2 teaspoons of espresso powder or instant coffee. This is optional as well. Next, we're going to whisk all of our dry ingredients. Along with our almond flour, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And I'm going to use half a teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to whisk all of these ingredients until they're nicely combined. And then we're just going to set the bowl aside. Next, let's work on our wet ingredients. We're going to grab a bowl, and I'm going to add 2 large eggs, room temperature. I'm using 3/4 of a cup of coconut sugar. You can go as little as 2/3 of a cup of sugar here. And this is Sassy Kathy's vanilla. We're using 1 teaspoon. Just a reminder, guys, she is offering our viewers a 15% discount on her 4-ounce bottle of vanilla. So we're just going to mix all of these ingredients together until they're nicely combined. And next I'm just going to add my cooled chocolate mixture into the wet ingredients, and we're just going to mix that until it's well incorporated. This cookie is very much like a brownie cookie, except we're just elevating it with the powdered sugar. So we're going to add our dry ingredients, and we're just going to mix until everything is nicely combined. Don't overmix here. You can also use oat flour instead of the almond flour, same amount if you like. So the batter does need to chill in the fridge for a minimum of 30 minutes. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to make 5 of these cookies, only because I'd like to freeze the other batch for my Christmas dinner. So using either a small or a medium ice cream scoop, you're going to scoop your batter and then place it in your powdered sugar, and then just roll it generously in your powdered sugar. You don't have to roll in between your hands. It'll all spread out beautifully in the oven. So again, we're just gonna coat that very generously with the powdered sugar and just place it on our sheet pan. Place them a few inches apart. They will spread in the oven. We're going to bake 350 for 12 to 14 minutes. They are gorgeous. Enjoy our almond flour chocolate crinkle cookies. They are chocolatey, they are fudgy, and they're delicious. They're so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these almond flour chocolate crinkle cookies, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements of this recipe and all of my recipes are in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.